Cheese. ¿Cuál? Búscalo, búscalo. Búscame el otro.
¿Qué? Mayas.
Vamos. Okay.
Thank you, Papi.
You're welcome. Dile, welcome to.
Welcome to Chicken the Bar.
Good job. She's so slow, bro. Okay, papi. Okay, siéntate aquí. You want to hold the camera? Okay. It's already recording. Welcome, everyone.
Welcome, everyone.
Okay, Dile, today
Today,
we're going to fix
this,
this. This is. Pero, mira la cámara. This is arm rest.
this.
Dale, good.
Good.
Alright, so today what we're gonna be doing is I have my wife recording for me so I can have my both hands free. If you guys can see me, I don't know if you guys can see me or not. So I do have both my hands free. I don't know if my wife wants to come out in the video or not. No, she's still pretty. She doesn't think she is right now. But a couple months ago, this armrest right here was actually starting to loosen up. So eventually one part came loose like this. And then over time, both just came off. So I do have the original screws. I don't see anything I see some clips that might be broken, that might be holding something in place. One of these, you know, these four right here. Now, I'm not exactly too sure if these are actually broken or not. I'm not just too sure. But we're gonna see anyways. I do have the original screws, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'm gonna attempt to put the armrest back with the help of my little daughter, Valentina. Valentina, dile hola.
Hola.
So right here in this plastic piece, Tina, espérate. Tina. So right here in this plastic piece, there's an opening or a gap right here and one right here, and all you really gotta do is with some type of flathead screwdriver or some type of flat trim piece tool, you just prop it open. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. Alright, so with a flathead screwdriver, what you're gonna do is you can actually do it from the sides too. It's actually easier from what I just noticed. So you come from the side and it's not gonna mess up anything, trust me. Just kind of prop it open like that. I mean, it took no force. I'll show you guys how to put it back so you guys can see. Okay, so with just a flathead screwdriver, okay, I kind of hold it from one side, put it in, and it really just comes off. It's really just these two clips that hold it into place. Once you get in there, typically you'll see the screws are in here. These are the screws. So this is where the screws is going to be going, and this is what holds the armrest in place, okay? Okay. Sí. Go. Okay. Así. Ahora otro. Good job. Okay, recógelo. No, never mind. So this is not regular star bit. This is actually a hex key that you need to put to make it work. So let me go ahead and get the hex key real quick. Alright, so what you're going to be using is a T20 hex key for the bolt, because BMW tends to make everything super hard. So there you go. T20. Right there. Boom. Don't worry about it. Okay?
Focus.
It's okay. Alright, so let's see if this is actually the issue, if the bolts were just loose or if some type of plastic broke off. I didn't see any plastic pieces that fell off when this thing came off, so I'm hoping all it was just it loosened up. Right in here, you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's all it takes, guys. Go ahead. No, go ahead. Step all over the car. Go ahead, step all over the car. Yeah, go ahead, sure. Go ahead. Step all over the car. Okay. That's not really reaching. No? Well, guys, that's it. So all it was is really that. So the bolts were just super loose. It seems like at first it's not gonna reach because they're so little, but they do reach. So remember, guys, BMWs are not really hard to work on. Don't be scared and have somebody scare you into thinking you can't do all this stuff on your own.
Or buy a new one.
Or go and buy a new one just because your armrest broke. So once you have all 4 bolts in, then go ahead and tie them up pretty good. And for the test, boom, there you go. Done. Simple as that. Very simple, easy, not an install, I guess, because it's already installed in the car, but a very easy fix.
Repair?
And a repair. What this is like 1 out of 10. How hard was this? Like a 0.5. I guess you can say. Even you could have done this. You think? Probably. Okay. My daughter could have done this on her own.
Follow your,
if you follow my instructions.
video.
If you follow my video, you could do this also on your own. Yeah. So with everything that's going on in the world right now, I know that the best thing that we can all do is just stay positive. Keep making videos for everybody to watch, because we can do nothing else but just watch videos online. And that's it. The next thing that I do have coming up in a few days will be the XHP flash for the transmission. I'm waiting on that. That's gonna be the next thing, and we'll see how that goes. So I say, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.